Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log an H&M account on mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to launch your web browser according to your preference. Now just go to the search box and search for www.2.hm.com, which is the official website of H&M. Now once you are here, you can see a person's icon just beside the search icon at the top right over here. Now simply tap on this. Now over here you can see two empty fields where you have to enter your email address and password that you had used to create your H&M account. So let's enter my email address here. Okay, here we go. Now let me enter my password. Now after entering your password, simply tap on the option of Sign In. Let's wait for some time. Now you can see that you have successfully been logged into your H&M account. Now you can use this platform according to your wish. You can also tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner. Over here you can see various shopping options available for you, and you can tap on any of it and enjoy your shopping on H&M platform. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for further upcoming tutorial and tech videos.